here we are again. We are on our way to Hong Kong and Macau. We just arrived here to Clark International Airport in Pampanga. Yes. Enjoy the flight, sir. Thank you very much.
Hi. We're boarding now. We're going to Hong Kong at this moment, around 5:30 a.m. in the morning here in the Philippines. We're in Clark International Airport. So right now at this moment, we're boarding. See you in Hong Kong.
Almost inside the plane right now. We're on the tunnel. Very good, thanks. Hello, good morning. Okay, so we made it. We're inside. So we had to rush because we were boarding already as soon as we got here.
We're getting close to the airport, guys. So we almost get there around about 10 minutes. We're
Landing right now, probably in another 15 minutes or so we'll be there. For the airport going to immigration, as you can see, once again, the weather is not really sunny, but we're excited to be here. So we're going into the immigration, then we're going to the transfer to get the turbojet going to Macau. And we're a little tired, obviously, because the plane left at 6 o'clock in the morning, so we had to get up at 2, take a shower and so on, get ready. We didn't want to miss it, but when we got there, when we got to the airport, we got a chance to have a cup of coffee, and we made it right on time because they were boarding, so we're excited. So we'll sleep tonight, no big deal. So we'll catch you after immigration. So just a bit of information. If you're coming from Manila or Pampanga like we did, and you're going to Macau first, you're not going to Hong Kong, you're going to Macau first. You're gonna have to go to transfer desk E2. That's where they're sending us. I thought we had to go to immigration first, but they say we have to go to E2. And E2 happens to be right there. Things happen when you travel. Not everything turns out the way you planned. Our first obstacle today was that we arrived in Hong Kong and we needed to take a ferry going to Macau. And we were looking for the turbojet. We heard so much about it. It's the red boat. And we came to find out that today they canceled all the sales. The only option that we have now is to take a bus. And they say 8:11, supposedly, going to the terminal, ferry terminal for Macau. Actually, to go ahead and find out, where to take the bus, and or if there's another way to get.
Actually, the plan is we have octopus card. We are planning to get from Close on April 11. So 2 days. So right now, we will find out to Close if I can get the octopus card right now to make reschedule and see what happens.
Because I think what Ginny did was made a schedule to pick up the card on the 11th, and we cannot pick it up before the 11th. But we're trying to find out now if we can pick it up 2 days in advance. I don't know if there's a charge for that or whatever. So we have a couple of missions to accomplish, and we'll go ahead and just we'll keep you posted. Okay, so this is the deal. We are here in the main side of the airport. We already passed immigration and so on. and we are again looking for the bus before we're gonna buy the octopus card. Now, they recommended that we take the bus and take the bus to go to Macau instead of the ferry. Why? I don't know. They said that it takes less time now since we're here. If we take the ferry, we gotta take the bus to the terminal. That's 1 hour, and then another hour for the ferry to get to Macau. So that's 2 hour ride. If we take the bus, we can do it in 1 hour. So I think we're gonna take the bus now, go to Macau, and on the way back. Supposedly, it's convenient for us. She said, the person that we were talking to, that there is 4 ferries that will take us directly to the Kowloon area. So we don't have to come back here to the airport and then take a taxi from here back to Kowloon. There's a ferry that goes from Macau directly to the Kowloon area. So be aware of that in case you're going to Macau first instead of Hong Kong.
Klook offers eSIM cards, a digital version of traditional SIM. With the eSIM, you can activate a mobile plan without the need of a physical SIM card. As SIM cards are targeted toward travelers, providing them with easy access to mobile data and calling services while abroad. An octopus card is like having a bankless debit card you can use and load as you go. The card uses RFID technology and is widely accepted through Hong Kong across different modes of transportation such as MTR, buses, ferries, convenience stores such as 7-Eleven, fast food, restaurants, and vending machines.
Okay, so this is the latest here. This is where we are. They told us that we need to take bus before to the Hong Kong-Macau Bridge. And then from there, we have to go through immigration and take the bus that takes us to Macau. So it's about an hour and a half, probably, before we get to Macau. And we are, it's supposed to be a lot faster than going on the other boat. So we'll let you know how it works out. Okay, so here we are. Okay, so we got to the Hong Kong port, and we bought tickets to go on the bus, and this bus is going to take us directly to Macau. So after a long day of traveling, now we're getting finally close to our destination.
I'm excited.
So am I. We finally got to our final bus that looks just like that. It's a 2-story bus going to Macau. And as we left, we went through our first tunnel, which I thought it went under the water. We were under the water, but it didn't seem like it because we came out real quickly. Now, driving through this beautiful engineered bridge, we noticed that at the end of the bridge, it seems like it dove right into the water. And you know what? It did. As you can see at the end, we're gonna go into an entrance, and that's gonna take us under the water, under the delta. And here we go. Are you ready? Plug your nose, hold your breath, and here we go. It's really, really impressive. It's an incredible engineering job that they have done. And all of a sudden, we come out on the other side, and we are right almost at the city.
guys, we're here now in Macau. We stay here in Parisian Hotel. And here's my book.
We're going to our room right now. We're gonna be in
Yes.
the south wing in the 22nd floor. We'll show you when we get there.
Okay.
This is the entrance of our room, 22018, which is on the 22nd floor. The first thing that we see is the closet. Provided us with a couple of rows, which are very, very thick, very nice, obviously great quality. We have an iron and an ironing board on the side right there. We have some slippers that we can wear. This really nice and spacious safe, so we can put our stuff in here, which is always nice to have. On my right, this is the bathroom, which is really well lighted, illuminated, real nice and bright. We have a glass enclosure for a shower. Nice, clean, spacious, which is just what we need. And also a beautiful tub, as you can see. And then on this side here, we have the vanity with a couple of bottles of water, some glass, and of course all the things that they provide, the toiletries that they provide right in here. An extra mirror for makeup and that kind of thing. This is the main area, the main bedroom. This area here is the main bedroom area. The bed is a king size bed. Everything very well put, very spacious, color coordinated for Paris, because we're staying at the Parisian. And I forgot to mention where we stayed. This is the Parisian Hotel, as you can see right here. And beautiful TV, so about a 65, 75 maybe even bigger than that. We have our own Wi-Fi that doesn't need a password. And then we have this nice chair that we can actually sit and admire a beautiful view outside, because we are in Macau, baby. So we are going to enjoy this. And then the view, which is amazing. There's a water park right across the street from us that belongs to Studio City Hotel. There's another hotel here on my right that I don't know if it's part of Studio City or is another wing of it, or it's another hotel. I don't know which one it is, to be honest with you. I'm gonna have to check. This is it, guys. I hope you enjoy the room tour, and we're gonna try to get some energy, because we've been up since 2 o'clock in the morning and it's already 3 in the afternoon in the Philippines. So we're gonna get some energy and then go get it. Okay, so let's boogie.